Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate the 60/40 allocation with Wealthfront, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the 60/40 allocation with Wealthfront, start by logging into your Wealthfront account. Enter your email address and password in the login fields. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the investment section. Click on Portfolio to view your current asset allocation. To change your allocation, look for the Edit button. Click on Edit to open the allocation options. In the allocation settings, find the 60/40 investment option. Select the 60/40 allocation, which typically consists of 60% stocks and 40% bonds. Review any prompts or information regarding the risks and benefits of this allocation. After reviewing, confirm your selection by clicking the Save or Confirm button. Wealthfront may ask you to verify your changes through a quick security check. Complete the security check if prompted. Once verified, your new 60/40 allocation will be activated. You can check the changes under the Portfolio section to ensure it reflects the new allocation. Allow some time for the system to fully update your investment strategy. You're now set up with the 60/40 allocation in Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.